Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am partnered with Cranberry Hair and I'm super excited about this unit because I love deep wave hair. So inside the bag I had like a bonnet and like a moisturizing cap. That's how we use it. And a pair of lashes. Let's see this unit. Curls are bouncy, I love that. So this unit is a 5x5 unit, as you can see. Boom, boom. Right, couple of clips with the adjustable straps. And this is 26 inches long and it has the transparent lace. Okay, so I'm gonna be using some of my True Match to conceal the lace. Also, I'm probably gonna use some Fitme powder on it as well. So the lace is already pre-plucked and it's really pre-plucked. Like, I don't think I'm gonna have to pluck this extra. Like, normally I'm like, let me be extra and pluck my wig some more. This is as much as I would pluck a curly unit. I don't believe in over plucking my curly units because, you know, a lot of times we're a little bit more harder on curly hair because we're brushing and combing and it's a lot of maintenance. So I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash this hair with this Organix conditioner and go ahead and get to styling. The co-wash went very well and I only had minimum shedding, so I was super happy about this. I'm using True Match in the shade Tan to tint the lace, and I just make sure that I cover all of the lace because I'm not sure where I wanted to put my part, and I just want to make sure that the lace was completely covered so it wouldn't even matter. But I just spray just a little bit first, and then as you see it gets a little messy, and then I take a paper towel and clean it off. Now I'm just blow drying to make sure that the tint is dry on the lace, and then after blow drying I looked at it one more time and I decided I want the lace to be just a tad bit darker, so I applied another coat of the tint. Next, I am just spraying the hair with water and I'm going to brush it out. I wanted you guys to see this texture because these curls look amazing. This deep wave hair, I am obsessed with it. It is super gorgeous. So you guys have to see this close up. Look at this definition. I'm obsessed. I'm clumping the curls with my t-shirt. I always use a t-shirt to clump the bottom of the hair to make sure my curls are extra juicy and bouncy. This really is helpful. I decided that I wanted some baby hair for this unit. I haven't been wearing baby hair, guys. Like, what's up with me? I was like, the last couple of weeks I haven't had any baby hairs, so it's time to get these baby hairs right. I didn't see any baby hairs on this wig, but honestly it really could be a good thing because if you don't want to wear baby hair, then you don't have to worry about it. But I wanted it, so I was like, let me go ahead and make some baby hair real quick. Just make sure that when you cut your baby hair that you always cut them at an angle. We are all finished getting this wig prepped and now it is time to install. I'm back. Let me stop playing with y'all. But I have 12 braids and they're all just braided to the back, so let's put this unit on. Please check the description box below for the details about this wig and the links, and also for the products I'm using in this video. So I noticed that the cap feels pretty snug and I like that because it's a great fit for my head. Now let's melt this. This Bedhead Extreme Hold Hairspray is a staple product for me, guys. Like, I feel like it's better than the Got To Be Glue hairspray. I feel that this really secures my wig down. Like, this isn't moving. This process is pretty simple. I just spray one layer of the hairspray, then blow dry, and then spray the second layer and lay the lace down. Then I use the comb to really get that lace to lay flat. I just had to tell you guys, I am so impressed with the way this pre-plucked hairline looks. Like, this is beginner friendly, but it looks so much more natural now. So I prefer to use scissors when I'm cutting my lace. I feel like I can get more of a precise cut, but I know a lot of people use razors as well. I feel like when I used a razor, my lace was more choppy, but tell me guys what you think. What do you prefer? Now I'm just laying down some of the edges of the lace that came up when I cut it. I'm using grapeseed oil to remove some of that excess glue. Don't use too much because you will make your lace lift, but I had to make sure the glue was off my baby hairs. I decided to go with the side part. I love how a side part frames my face, so here we go. This is the Edge Booster pomade stick, and this helps lay my hair so I can define my part. I'm using this Tymo straightening brush, and guys, I don't even know what happened to my hot comb, but who needs the hot comb when you have a straightening brush? Here's another one of my staple products. I love the Go Glueless foam gel. It has been one of my faves right now, so let's get into this baby hair action. Guys, I haven't done baby hairs in so long. I almost forgot how to do them, but here we are. This is gonna have to work. I'm using this elastic band to tie down my edges and make sure that this wig is laid. Okay, I have my Go Glueless again, and this really helps keep this hair in place. And also I wanted to hike up the front just a tad bit, so I'm using some more of the Go Glueless foam gel right there in the front. Next, I'm just defining these curls. I'm spraying my hair again with some water, not too much, just a little bit, and I add about 3 pumps of the Lotta Body mousse, and yes, this mousse goes a long way. Love it. But I just wanted to add a keynote that this hair has just been behaving so amazing, but also I will say I am very thankful that it didn't have a whole bunch of short pieces in the front. I haven't had to deal with any of that, so that has been a plus. When styling any curly hair, it's important to be gentle. I only had around 2 or 3 tangles with this hair while styling it, so that is great. But just remember that when you are styling curly hair, you have to be very careful because you do not want to pull the hair out from lace. My hair is 85% dry and it is looking bouncy and natural. I love it. So I'm using my Fitme powder in my part just to conceal where my wig cap is. All right, now this is giving scalp. Oh yeah, it's giving scalp. I decided to put just a little bit of hair behind my ears, and I'm using Aussie Moist Freeze Hairspray, and this is just going to make sure that my hair stays laid. I'm adding volume to the front. I love volume in the front of my hair. Love it, love it, love it. So I like it to be hiked up, and it is doing great. And I add a little bit more volume to the side and the back as well. This is some gorgeous summer hair. All done, and I cannot keep my hands out of my hair. I have a problem. I just can't. I can't. I love it. Look at this. It's giving scalp. It's giving natural. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.